Trust in your hatred for the mutant and the heretic brothers. Embrace the vengeful wrath you feel within your hearts. In the fires of war, we shall honor the Divine Emperor. Praise be his name.
Armand Montfort serves as a marshal of the Black Templars chapter during the era Indomitus. Revered for his service leading the Excorious Crusade, as the forces of Chaos rallied to destroy Cadia, each of the shrine worlds of the Ecclesiarchy would require fortification by the Templars. The Aurilla Crusade waged in efforts to reclaim the Katon subsector for the Imperium following the birth of the Great Rift across the stars. This campaign would be among the first waged by the chapter, incorporating Primaris Space Marines. Ordered to garrison the oldest of all Cardinal Worlds, Ophelia 7, as part of the Shrine World Crusades following the fall of Cadia. During the Battle of Ophelia 7, the Greater Demon, the Tyrant of the Blue Flame, would escape justice as forces from both the Black Templars and Rabute Guilliman's Indomitus Crusade purged the world clean. Confronting Saint Celestine and Inquisitor Katarina Greyfax during their quest to prevent a Cintian plot from corrupting the Imperial Church. With more than 300 battle brothers at his command, the initial dealings with the Living Saint proved combative. Their alliance made with a companion of the Emperor himself, Longinus, tempering Armand's anger, Montfort stifled his unease at Greyfax's psychomutations for the sake of their undertaking. Such misgivings abandoned upon learning of the Inquisitor's duel made against Abaddon the Despoiler, proving her righteous intent. The Black Templars pledged to aid their mission to root out heresy within the midst of the Emperor's holy church. Montfort's fleet, accompanying the pilgrims to the world of San Lior, surrounded by warp storms. Upon fighting their way to the long-stranded canoness of the Adeptus Auroritas, Sabrina, the tide began to turn on this time-dilated warzone. Finding evidence of the Changer of Way's involvement in corrupting Ecclesiarch Decius XXII to turn the faith of the pious souls of the Imperium against its glory, the Tyrant of the Blue Flame, though attempting to possess Celestine's body, would be banished by Longinus's blade, ending her life. Celestine resurrected by the light of the God Emperor, relieving the champion of the Golden Host of his shame. With Ophelia 7 saved from ruin thanks to Celestine's brief sacrifice, Armand bid farewell to the Living Saint as he resumed his vigil of the Cardinal World. Gravely wounded during the Ophelian Crusade, launched by the Night Lord, Kol Rakul, known as the Death of Saints. As the God's Helm's wounds healed, his lieutenant, Castellan Aemar Tancred, would lead the crusade in Armand's stead. Tancred slain during the campaign, forcing Sword Brother Balian to assume command of the Marshal's forces. Likewise, such a stalwart warrior would perish at the hands of the Death of Saints. The reign of the Chaos Night Lord ended thanks to the tenacious actions of the Spear of Faith, Morven Val. Though the fate of Marshal Montfort remains unclear, with his wounds healed, he shall doubtless continue to wage holy war in the name of the Master of Mankind.